2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, CD player, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.